Amaka. Welcome to New Generation Igbo, episode 17. Ogadelegima Afambu Chidebere. Today we are learning things in the bathroom. Iye anyị ga-amụta bụ iye anyị gi asa ahụ. What we are learning today is things in the bathroom. Sapo, sponge. Ude, cream. Mbobo, comb. Ncha, soap. Mary, water. Biko ihu, them. Please did you see my cream? Biko ihu, ncha. Please did you see my soap? Biko nyam, mbobom. Please give me my comb. Biko nyam, sapo. Please give me my sponge. Biko were mmiri. Please take water. Imeela kodi jisike na so Igbo. Like, share and subscribe. Bye.